Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. You guys know what it is. It is the new year. Happy New Year everybody. But I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print from coupons.com. Now I print my coupons from swagbucks.com and I print my coupons through coupons.com. But I get points for every coupon that I print. Right now I get 2 points for every coupon that I print. And then you get 25 points for every coupon that you redeem. It does take up to a couple weeks to get those points to redeem, but hey, you know what? That's free money and I'm saving up for 2019 Christmas already. So here we go. So they did have some coupons reset. They got the L'Oreal Paris coupons reset, so we got that going on. The Chic on all the L'Oreal's reset. Looks like the Super Crayon reset. The Truvia is still old from before. The Hershey coupons reset, which I absolutely love. Those don't expire till the end of January. So if you guys want to get some good deals, definitely print those off. There are some clearance stuff out there, so you might be able to find that. Here we got $1.50 off Excedrin. I think there is a deal on Ibotta, so I'm going to print that off for today because I'm going to do my Ibotta haul later today. We got Del Monte, $1 off at 2. Also remember to go to Swagbucks, you guys, and add some new deals. They did add some new stuff, so I just want to give you guys a heads up on that. But everybody prints off different things. But here we got Perel. I always print off the Perel coupons, and those rarely ever reset, so just giving you guys a heads up on that. But here we got, you know, the $1 off at 2 General Mills. A lot of this stuff stays up all months long, so I'm not going to print that off. But here we got Centrum Vitamins, $4. Now there is a deal on Savings Star, so I'm going to do that and see if I can do that deal at Walmart today. Also, if you guys are watching this, check your Ibotta. I checked my levels this morning just to see what the thing is, and I only have 2 levels. So if you guys have 2 levels, let me know. I don't know if there's a glitch or they messed up or something, but tell me how many levels you guys have on your Ibotta app for this month. Just let me know. Here we got another L'Oreal Paris. That item, 1 a day, kids or Flintstones, $4 off of that one. Actually, I'm going to print that one off just in case. Because some of these are limited, so. Here we have $1.50 off the coffee, $1 off the Forte shots. I'm just going to print those off just because you never know. But that seems about it. So those are the coupons to print so far for 2019. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.